So basically, Bennett created a program that helps me use this workflow to not have to talk to gatekeepers anymore.
I used to run an agency, a marketing agency, like 2 years ago. So I encountered a lot of these problems firsthand. And then I eventually moved into like building tools.
This thing is a lot cheaper than Outscraper. There's a promo for it. So the promo code is one call close, all capital. You get 10% off for life. Hey, what's up, everybody? Today we got a special guest on. One of the biggest things agency owners have, the biggest issues that they have, is talking to gatekeepers. And I have figured out a way to make it so you don't have to talk to gatekeepers anymore. To kind of just completely them. So basically, Bennett created a program that helps me use this workflow to not have to talk to gatekeepers anymore. And so we're going to go over. So Bennett, if you want to introduce yourself for those that didn't see the YouTube video last week or 2 weeks ago about one-click websites. So yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, what's up, guys? My name is Bennett. Good to be here. I used to run an agency, a marketing agency, like 2 years ago. So I encountered a lot of these problems firsthand. And then I eventually moved into like building tools to actually solve these problems. And so one of the biggest ones that I had was getting good lead lists together with mobile numbers. It was pretty difficult because, you know, some people had them on the GBP and some didn't. Some had them on their website. So it took me a long time to research each lead and go find these numbers myself. A lot of time. So I built localprospects.ai. This tool will help you find a lot more information than you're going to find from like Apify, for example, or Outscraper. You can scrape Google Maps. It'll find all the numbers on the website and the GBP. So that way it'll also classify, is it mobile? Is it a landline? Is it a VoIP number? You can avoid the landlines and VoIPs if you want to, just not even talk to any gatekeepers at all. It also finds the owner's name when it can and emails. So if you're an email kind of person, those are found as well. And I think it's just a great tool for speeding up, like getting a good lead list, right? Not having to do all that manual research and hunt down somebody's phone number. So that's why I built this tool, and I can run through a couple searches as well to show you guys what it looks like.
Yeah, let's do that. This is exciting stuff.
Balint, what's your preference for a niche and for a location? Any preferences?
Let's see, niche, pest control.
Pest
Let's
control,
do like LA.
okay.
They got like cockroaches year round and black widows. It's a good place for pest control.
Yeah, there's a lot of pest control companies. All right, so this one will start. It should run. Probably takes about 1 to 2 minutes for the whole thing to be done. So while that's happening, I'm going to pull up like a different one. I'll do like a plumber in Irvine, California that I ran last week. So here's what it looks like, right? We get the rank on Google Business. This pulls right from Google Maps to start off. So we have like all their SEO rankings, which is nice if you ever want to bring it up. Like, hey, you're ranking, 12th behind Pristine Plumbing, right? I'll pull this up here. It's easier. So here's their phone number. And we pull typically like as many as 10 phone numbers per listing. Most GBPs are just going to have one phone number listed on that actual thing. So how do we get more than one? Well, we're going to go to the website automatically, scan for any other phone numbers, and then run them through a classification tool that will tell us if it's a mobile number, a landline number, even like what carrier they're with. So it's kind of cool. You can see that they're paying for Sprint. And not to mention, like most of them have, well, at least some of them have the owner's name as well. So let's say like you call a mobile number and you're like, hello, it's like, hey, is this Luis? Like, wow, you already have a better opener than most people because it sounds like you know who they are because you've done some research, right? So that's all the information. We have owner name, email, all the basic stuff from GBP, the phone types. So for example, like if their mobile number is not answering, you can go and call the landline if you want to. And we also have the website pages too. So if you're doing like a cold email that's like personalized or even like a DM on Facebook or something, like we have social profiles here as well. You could go and like personalize an outreach message using the website. If you have like N8N or if you have some like ChatGPT skills, you can just throw it in and get a good outreach message for each person. So let's go back and see if that initial list is done. So the pest control, we got 239 businesses, quite a few. And let's see what we have. Okay, so yeah, 239 businesses, all for pest control. We got owner names right here, phone numbers, and we can just sort really easy. Boom, give me all the mobile numbers that we found. So all the mobiles are right here. So these are all the ones that we found off the bat. So I can go in here. I can just go and see, okay, it's John Myers. I'll give him a call. And here's all the other numbers as well. So yeah, to do this super easily, if you're using like GHL, for example, you can just export this simple CSV. It'll give you like the basic stuff. It won't give you like all the 5 emails and the 5 phones. If you don't have to delete those columns, it'll save you some time, right? So you can export this to GHL and then put it in your power dialer and just go through each one. And it's, mobile number is a separate column here too. So you know, like, you're not calling any landlines, any gatekeepers. You can just avoid all those people, delete this whole row, and just call these ones.
Yeah, and guys, like my current workflow was to find lead lists, take that lead list, upload it to Landline Remover, remove all the landlines so I can just get cell phones so I can talk to the business owners, and then upload that to GHL and then start dialing. So this completely takes that step out of having to go to Landline Remover. I just run it. And by the way, most of my lead lists don't have a first name. I know you're not getting a first name on all of them, but like as Bennett said, like there's a huge difference between, hey, Bob, how's it going? Great. Hey, listen, I was just calling for whatever your offer is, right? Or whatever your opener is. They're going to be like, oh, who, like they're just going to try to figure out who this voice is on the phone, and you said a name, right? Most people are calling like, is this the business owner? Yeah. I mean, listen, when I get a call like that, click, right? If someone's like, hey, Balint, what's up? And I'm like, hey, shit, who are you? You're panicking. It's an interrupt, but you're getting a landline. You're getting some business owner's name, which is huge, right? So it's completely cutting out the gatekeeper because landlines are going to the owners. Now I would say when I do this, maybe 3 to 5% were like cell phones, and then they transferred them to landlines because the company grew. Great, but I mean that's almost none, right? And then Bennett, now there's a way for the more advanced users. Isn't there some way you can connect Claude with this? Like I've had a couple people tell me about it. I know you've kind of mentioned it to me, but I'm not that savvy. So if you can kind of show us like what it does, because I think when you did that description, like where you said you can send an email, couldn't we automate some of this?
Oh yeah. So that's kind of like, that was the main feature that I built this whole thing around. Actually, was being able to give this API documentation. So it's running through the API to run the searches, which means that AI agents can run all this stuff for you. So if you tell an AI agent, you copy this skill file, let's say you put it into like Claude Code, and then you say, hey, I want to run a search for every plumber in California or every plumber in New York. So it'll go through, it'll do all the searches for you. It'll put in every location in every single place that it should run for. Then you can even tell it like, okay, we have all this information. I want you to now write a custom email for each person using all that website information that we collected, those 5 pages. And then we can create a custom outreach message for each person that we can then give to a VA to go put into Facebook Messenger or send out via email and instantly, or GHL, or we can even have a custom opener for each person for cold calling. So if you want to give a script to some people to call for you. So I could probably show it actually happening if you want to see that. But the easiest thing to do is really just copy this skill file, go to like Claude Code. So let me pull that up here. I think I still pay for Claude, but I switched over to Codex a while ago. I think it's just a little bit better. But if I go to code right here, and then new session, right? New session. Let me go back here. I'll copy this skill file, and then I'll just paste this in. Let's see. Okay, that should work. What you'll also need to get is an API key, so you can go to the dashboard and copy the key here. I can do this and just roll it.
Yeah, I can blur it.
So to get started, give me your API key, right? Okay, here it is. I'll say, let's run a search for plumber Dallas. So it'll find the location code for Dallas, and let's see if it can do this.
Okay, so I definitely thought it would be a lot harder than, like, I've had a couple people tell me it's AI, you can connect, it's super easy, but every time there's AI, I'm always like, oh my God, this is so hard. Like Victor, I don't know if you've heard of Victor, I just started that, and that was a hard. Everyone's like, that's like amateur level. Listen, I know how to click buttons, as we talked about on our last meeting, right? And make money by clicking buttons, not this stuff. So
I guess I have to like add it to a domain allow list. I don't really use Claude on the browser, so it looks like I have to do one thing. But
yeah,
I mean, the point, right? Like it'll run this.
Yeah, I mean, I had somebody tell me that they have it connected like this. So they have your system connected through an AI, and then that's connected into GHL. And what they built basically is they just go, okay, today I want to call HVAC here, and then all it does is pull all the mobile numbers.
Yeah.
And then gives them the list and puts them into high level, and then he just starts dialing, right? So every morning he just goes, this is what I want to call.
Yeah.
He gets a list of mobile, like it ignores everything else, just brings over the mobile numbers. I don't really know how it was built. Hey, the guy's in my community though, so if you guys want to join in, I'm sure he'll help you.
Yeah, you gotta get him on a call.
But yeah, no, that's awesome. I mean, honestly, guys, this is such a game changer to just dump landlines. Now, caveat, obviously, if you're calling dentists, lawyers, things like that, like most of them you're gonna have less landlines. When you start calling home services, you're gonna have more landlines. But even that, you guys are enriching even dentists and stuff, right? Because you're grabbing their website, their GBP and their website, and then you're enriching that data and getting landlines from or mobile numbers for dentists as well. So, imagine the dentist getting a call personally, right? And you're like, hey, doctor, dentist, whatever, Bob, right? And they're like, what? Oh yeah. So there you go. So is that dentist list?
This is a dentist list, yeah.
Oh, that's funny. Yeah. So I mean, a little less, but listen, and look at what is that? So that's like the guy ranked 206th place community dental has a mobile number. I mean, that's like, and you got a name. It's not even a guy. It's Michelle. You ask for, hey Michelle, you're in 200th place. First of all, we need to redo your website. Now we need to do your SEO. Now we need to do your Google rankings, right? All of a sudden, like, hey, that's a slam dunk deal. And you're not talking to Michelle's receptionist.
She needs help,
right?
Man. Yeah.
Yep. You're talking to Michelle. So that's awesome. Yeah, really good stuff. As always, guys, there's a promo for it. So the promo code is OneCallClose, all capital. You get 10% off for life. So, and by the way, not just do you get 10% off, this thing is a lot cheaper than Outscraper, which is tends to be like your least expensive. This is even less than Outscraper, right? Because what are we getting? You're getting a ton of leads for what's the base plan? $29 a month minus your 10%.
$39 a month is the lowest, so that's for 10,000 leads a month.
Yeah.
And then the next plan up is 50 or 49 a month, and then that's 20,000. So if you spend 10 extra bucks, it goes up.
Yeah. So $39, you get 10% off. So you're not even paying $39 for 10,000 leads, right?
Yeah, it's cheaper than Outscraper, and that's not even including all the add-ons you'd have to put on in Outscraper just to get what kind of phone number is it or the owner's name, right? It's cheaper than the base of Outscraper. So that's what I mean, that's great. I love it. You really built this with the agency in mind. Just like with one-click websites, you build such great things for us to use as agencies. I mean, they make it super simple. I can't wait for your next project. I'm excited. Obviously, no more projects, man. I gotta just keep working. I'm sure eventually you'll come up with something for us. No, definitely no. I mean, hey, listen, I mean, what a good package deal this is, right? To just be able to go in and, hey, I want to get my leads, so I get them from Bennett, and then I want to sell them websites, so I get websites from Bennett, and then that's it. That's all I need. So that's a really, really good combo. Guys, check if you haven't seen the one-click website video, check it out. Again, it's a great video. It's an amazing tool to use. So yeah, thanks for coming on and showing us how this works, and thank you so much for building it, because you just made outreach so much easier. Dude, thanks for having me. Always a pleasure.